advertisement you are having for 5 mark, as we have given in the previous link video. Go through the link video how you have to write, what are the mark allotment. You have to write a catchy name. You have to, in bold form you have to write the title. Then what are the points which is given in the question, what is your question. You go down, collection of rare books, story books, fiction and non-fiction, bestseller, newspaper, magazine, stationery products. You have to give the details of that ad. This carries 1 mark. Title 1 mark. And quotation or slogan regarding the product, it carries 1 mark. Then visual effect, you have to give a good visual presentation for that given advertisement. It carries 1 mark. And address also, it also carries 1 mark. Offers and discounts, offers or discounts, and the venue, you have to mention it, and it also carries 1 mark. These 5 points, it has to be written clearly, then only 5 marks will be awarded for that question. So go through the advertisement whatever given, and go through the attractive advertisement which was you have to prepare for this home appliances and mobile galaxy. You draw pictures and quotations you collect, and regarding these products you have to write, and what is given in the hyphenated words also you have to note down. You have to be clear in this ad, presenting in the ad. So make it thorough and be clear in your answers. Next we are going to see about notice writing. Notice writing you are having in lesson 4. Lesson 4 no. So last class we have seen, we are going for that notice writing also. Why I am saying this is, for having this notice for your 11th and 12th standard also. Go through this video. Now see the link video for how to write a notice writing. Once again I am recalling you. Notice writing, what you are going to write the details. How to write means you have to mention the name of the school. First put notice, put the name of the school in bold letters, and what topic you are going to, for what information, what is the information you are given what is the information you are giving to the students. You also note it down. For example, in this question you have seen in the link video also, we are inviting the students to attend World Elders Day. So first you have to begin, you have to write the date, month and year in this left corner. You have to mention it. Then you have to give the information. This information are given in the question itself. So you have to write, you have to begin with all the students are informed, or this is to inform you that, like that you have to start this notice, and then all the details which are given in the question you have to write that here. Then you have to invite them. Interested students are requested to bring their grandparents for the celebration. Teas and snacks will be provided. Fun activities will also be organized. You have to mention that clearly. Then you are going to write for preparing notice for these 3 questions is given. You have written that also. So once again you go through. If the question is changed means you must know how to write that, because it is a creative skill. So remember that writing skill, creative writing skill. And in presenting this answer also, writing this answer also, write the answer. You have to write the sentences without grammatical mistake. If it is clear means you will be given full marks. So be clear in presenting your answer. Next, what are the parts we are going to see? Notice writing and advertisement. This is for 5 marks. Then grammar part, lesson 2. Prepositional phrase, you go through all the prepositional phrase I have given here. You have to know according to where it should be placed, along with, because of, owing to, instead of, in the event of. In the event of, in case of, they are mentioned for possibility only. Instead of means substituting. Owing to, because of means on account of. This I am giving a part. You are going to write for prepositional phrase. According to means as stated by. Idioms or phrases. may be asked a prepositional phrase or phrasal verb. So what is given in your lesson 2, you go through this. Only I am mentioning that again. Questions may be asked based on this. Sometimes questions may be coming from the book task, or based on this part question will be asked. So be clear in answering. Next, modals. You have seen in lesson 1. We have already gone through modals. All the exercises what is given here, go through all the exercises. This is one more question only. So you must be clear in putting this modal auxiliaries. So be clear in writing your answer. Must and should you have to put for duty. Then shall, futurity. Then may, might, possibility. Based on the tense you have to write that. Next, will and would, ability. Will, past habit, you can write would also. Then you have to write can, could also for ability. So be clear regarding semi-modals. They will simply ask modals. So be clear in answering ma. Semi-modals means used to need, ought to, and dare. These 4 only. So be clear. In the revision part I will explain you with and I will give you exercises on that also. We can see in the revision class. Active, passive, what I have given here, go through, and you have noted down in your grammar notebooks also. Go through all these exercises. The manager appointed. Be clear. Active and active to passive or vice versa. You have to go through assertive statements, then imperative statements, and then question type sentences also, interrogative sentences also. Go through all that one. And for request and for advice, what you have to write, how you are going to give your answer also. It has been taught to you in your link video. Go through the videos also. It will be clear to you. Then exercises which are given in the book task also, you go through all that. And in the revision class I will explain you by giving you model exercises. So you can write that and be clear with what answers you are going to write for the test. So if you are having any doubt means you can ask me ma in the revision class also. Now go through all the sentences which are given here. You have to change this into passive voice. You have written that answer. Go through all the exercises, and if you are having 2 objects, direct object, if the object is mentioned directly or indirectly, means how you are going to attend for the active to passive form. You go through that also. I think you will be clear with the exercises and what part I haven't explained. What I have to explain, not haven't explained. What I have to explain, we can see in your revision class. So thank you children. If you are having any doubt means you ask me in the class. I will clear it. And the portions what you are going to, when you see this video, the portions and grammar part what you are going to be thorough will be clear. And I will explain in the class also. Thank you children.